Getting started with Google Chat and Google Meet.
Google Chat and Google Meet work together to help you stay connected. If you use Google Chat for team messaging, you can launch video calls directly from your conversations. This integration streamlines communication, allowing you to switch between text and video easily without leaving the app.
Launching a video call from Google Chat.
To start a video call, open any conversation or space in Google Chat. Click the Google Meet icon, usually represented by a small camera. Select Start a new meeting to create an instant video call. A Meet link will appear in the chat, ready for others to join with a single click.
Inviting participants effectively.
Once you generate a Meet link, simply share it within the chat. Everyone in the conversation or space will see it instantly. For one-on-one chats and group discussions, this method ensures all members can join the call seamlessly, without searching emails or separate invites.
Managing video calls within chat.
During your video call, you can return to Google Chat without ending the meeting. Use chat to share files or links while still connected on video. This multitasking makes collaboration more efficient and helps you keep track of important details shared during your call.
Tips for a smoother experience.
Check your connection before launching a video call and ensure your camera and microphone are working. Mute your mic when not speaking and use chat features to post follow-up questions or share documents. Keeping your conversations organized helps everyone stay productive and focused.